machine. Cool. A lollipop. Yay! Yum, 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 yum.
Dear passengers, the plane is boarding now. Please proceed to gate number 3.
Yay! Let's go! Oh no! Come on! Okay! Super! Yeah! Okay! Yay! Whoa, 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 whoa! Stop!
Oh no!
No! Oops! Oh, no! Okay, I'm sorry. Bye-bye! Hello!
Hey! Let's see what's inside the luggage.
Okay.
Okay. What? Oh, no! Huh?
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, it's not you, but
Yes?
something's wrong with your luggage. I have to check it.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
It's just my pajamas.
Okay. But what is this?
Look.
Okay, you're free to go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Next one.
Hello. Can you help me? My bag is too heavy.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Whoa, 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 no!
Oh, no.
Please, help! Help!
Uh-oh.
I'm okay. We have a weight limit. Let me check.
Oh, okay.
Oh no! What's going on?
Huh? Wow!
It's a chair. Soccer ball.
Huh? Phew, that's better.
Yes.
Have a good flight.
Thank you, officer. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
La 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 la.
Uh-oh.
La 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 la.
Hawaii, that's where we're going. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Here's my passport. Okay. You can go. Thank you.
Yay.
Here's my passport. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Next one. Hello. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, do you want some candies? Yes! I have an idea. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Yay! Yum, yum, yum! Wow! I have candy! Yay! Oh no! Hello!
Hello, hello, hello!
Hi guys! I got the... Oh no!
Kids, candies are not allowed on the plane.
It didn't work. Don't worry, I have a plan. Really? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yay. Wow. 1, 2. Now no one can find the candies. Yes. Hello? Huh? Why are you taking a fishing rod? Don't ask why. Let's go. Come on.
Huh? What is this? No fishing on my plane. Yes.
Yes! Oh no, it's broken! Don't worry, I got an idea! Yay!
Hello, hello.
Wow! Let's go! Done! Hello, officer!
Huh? What? There?
Yay! A bear? This bear has a secret inside.
Dear passengers, show your tickets, please.
Here.
Okay. Sir, your ticket, please.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, sir, but you have to leave the plane if you don't have a ticket.
What?
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
No.
Oh no!
The plane is taking off. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Let's go!
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
Hello. Huh? Where are the palm trees? The ocean? Welcome to the North Pole. Oh no! Go!
Roma,
What?
you've been playing the computer for too long.
Okay. Finish. Done.
Good.
Bye-bye. Time to play. Cool. Wow. Huh? What's this? Oh no! Daddy, help!
Roma, what happened?
Help me!
What is it?
Aww.
We need to see a doctor. Right now. Come on.
Wow! Hello,
Doctor.
doctor. Hello!
Doctor, he has an unknown disease.
Help me.
Oliver, get the magnifying glass, please.
Okay. Idea. This.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Uh-huh. Roma, you have sticker pox.
What?
Uh-oh. Tell me, what were you doing before?
I was playing video game.
For a long time. No. Doctor, can you do something? I know what to do. Try to read a book instead of playing video games.
Okay. The farmer has sent out Tractor to check up on all his animals. Wow!
Roma, your sticker pox has disappeared.
Yay! Super!
It's not good to spend a lot of time with gadgets.
Thank you, doctor. I got it.
Bye-bye.
Let's go! Lunchtime. I love fast food. Yum, yum. Oh no! I have to go to the doctor. Yes.
Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah! Hello, doctor. Hi. Looks like sticker pox. Please, sit down.
Okay.
Oliver, you know what we need.
Yes. This. Tweezers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. What is this?
Glue.
Oh.
Huh?
Tell me, please, what were you doing before you got this?
I was eating.
What exactly were you eating?
Fast food. Oh no! Doctor, what do I do now? Apple. It's clean.
Yay! Great job, Oliver. Try to eat healthy food.
Wow!
It's full of vitamins.
Okay. Yum, yum. The sticker pox are gone. Yay, 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 yay.
Thank you, Doctor. You're welcome. Bye. Bye-bye, Diana.
La 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 la. I love flowers. Wow. La 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 la. Smells good. Flowers need water. Yes.
Yes.
La 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 la. Do I need to wash my hands? I don't think so.
Ew.
Done. Oh no! I have something on my skin. I need to go to the doctor right now.
Yes.
Hi, doctor.
Another child with sticker pox? Have a seat, please.
Okay.
Let me look at you. I need to take a sample for analysis.
Oh, oopsie.
Uh-huh. Microscope, please.
Okay. Microscope. One moment, please. Ready.
Thank you. Let's check the details.
Uh-huh.
Did you wash your hands?
Why do we need to wash hands?
Honey, you should wash your hands regularly.
Oh, okay. So. La 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 la.
How is your sticker pox?
I'm good. Thank you, doctor. Super.
Bye-bye, Doctor. Stay safe. Take care of your health.